Is it safe to drink alcohol whilst breastfeeding? This is actually a very common door handle question at this time of year. I.e., you've done your consultation, the person's just about to leave, hand on the door handle, and oh, by the way, one more thing, doctor. And it's very common around the Christmas period and similar celebrations to say, can I breastfeed and drink alcohol? Well, it's important to note that alcohol is a drug and thus can potentially affect things, but there are definitely safe ways to drink and breastfeed. Now, let me dispel one thing right from the get-go. The old concept of drinking and then pumping and dumping doesn't actually have any effect here. It certainly doesn't change how alcohol gets into the breast milk. In terms of alcohol getting into the breast milk, it's kind of the same as alcohol getting into your blood. So your peak alcohol levels in your blood are about 30 to 60 minutes after you've drunk alcohol, but if you've been eating food as well, it's maybe 60 to 90 minutes peaking in the blood. The same peak alcohol content will also occur in the breast milk in that same time frame. So let's flip it round. For every 1 unit of alcohol you drink, how long is it going to take for there to be no alcohol in your breast milk? About 2 to 3 hours. But for every additional unit of alcohol you drink, you multiply that up. So if you've drunk 2 units of alcohol, that's going to be 4 to 6 hours for your body to completely clear it. Now, why does this question matter to patients? Because they're obviously always worried about harming their babies. And let's be honest, a small amount of alcohol isn't going to cause harm on one occasion if it's consumed by the breast milk, etc. However, recurrent alcohol exposure to babies will affect harm. But there's one thing that might give all new parents cause to think about whether or not they want to consume alcohol and breastfeed. Alcohol affects your sleep, but it also will affect the baby's sleep, so they're more likely to wake during the night after you have had alcohol and breastfed within that 2 to 3 hour window. So, can we get around it? Well, yes, quite simply, by having our breastfeeding before we have our first drink of alcohol, and then making sure our next feed is at least 2 to 3 hours later. That way, you should be able to enjoy your alcohol, and the baby should be able to enjoy the breast milk, both before and afterwards, without affecting that precious sleep, both for you and them. Take care, and enjoy your alcohol, but responsibly. Cheerio, and I'll see you in the next one.